So this is a Cabana Bay standard room, single vanity. There's a bath with a shower and a tub. Closet. Now I have a standard room, so this room has 2 queen beds. Plenty of storage. Yes, there is a mini fridge in this room, right in here. Small coffee brewer. Now I have a standard view room, so my room overlooks Adventura Hotel, which is also part of Universal. And to the left you can see the theme parks. You can see part of Velocicoaster. And if I look to the right, you can see International Drive in Orlando, I-4, and then also Endless Summer and Dockside, also part of Universal. The other side of the hallway, the rooms have a view of Volcano Bay Water Park. I was not that lucky this time. But I'll have a nice view at night when everything is lit up. So there you have it. There's a standard view room at Cabana Bay.